Happy birthday, Lucy, from Madeline. Do you love it? Yes. Say thank you. Thank you. And say, Madeline, I wish you were here. Lucy, can you say thank you? Yes, I love you too. Don't be sad, we'll see Madeline soon. Say bye-bye. We'll wear that tomorrow at your birthday party. You rock, Madeline. We'll see you soon. Can you play peekaboo? Where's Lucy? Say hi, Madeline. Hi. Hi, Madeline. Are you here at our house? No Madeline here at our house. Say, I miss you. I wish you didn't live all the way far away in Idaho, but thanks for the awesome clothes. Can't wait to wear it. Wally, do you want to say anything? Sit. Wally, sit. Wally, sit. Good boy. Do you want to speak? Speak. Say hi, Madeline. Madeline. Speak. Whoa. Just speak. No bark. Wally, can you speak? No bark. Speak. Say woo. Woo. Hi, Madeline. Hi, Madeline. Ooh. Yes. Yeah. Bye-bye. Yeah. Bye-bye. Bye-bye, Madeline. We love you. She blew you a kiss. Thanks again.